Listen, my love, have you seen these? These are the Easter Dome cups. These are so cute. Absolutely love this. $1.25. They have Easter eggs on there. Happy Easter, honey, styling, and most certainly profiling.
Do you smell it now?
Ooh, so Dollar Tree has these Easter Dome cups. Okay. Peace, family. Peace. Okay, so today we are at the Dollar Tree in Maplewood, New Jersey. Okay, we gonna get into this 1, 2, 3. You feel me? Let's go. Listen, Dollar Tree has so many new items at this store. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. Honey, I was in the middle of eating these snacks. Honey, did you know Dollar Tree is now carrying these? Okay, but honey, that's not even what this video is about. Okay, shout out to Miss D, all right, from the Dollar Tree in Maplewood, the store manager. Honey, you was absolutely phenomenal today. Okay, all right. Now, this Dollar Tree haul got some treats and some sweets, and we delivering. Make sure you move your feet to the beat, honey. You want to watch this Dollar Tree haul. Okay, girl. All right. Let the clip roll. Okay, so you said you was looking for a Winnie. Okay, so they have Winnie. All right. Honey, get into it. All right. Kitchen towers. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie ain't playing. Winnie ain't come here to play with you folks. They ain't come here to play. All right. Honey, and you thought that was something. But Dollar Tree said, listen, we're going to give you choices, all right? We love our customers. That's what Dollar Tree said, all right? Check this out. Ooh, Winnie the Pooh, child. All right, $1.25.
Hallmark.
Okay, so they also have the Nightmare Before Christmas towers. This is a steel deal like Holyfield. Look at this. Cute, really cute. Absolutely love this. And look at Lilo and Stitch, child. $1.25. So you thought I was done. I know you did. You was like, she done. She ain't got nothing else to show us. The devil is a lie. Okay, check them out. All right, so Dollar Tree has the Star Wars. Look at this, okay? Me watching the drama unfold, okay? All right, they also have, another one, okay? Let's see. They have this one. This says protect, attack, and snack. Okay, really cool. Then they also have size matters. Now, honey, I'm so excited. Okay, it's useless to resist. I love you. Okay, this is so cute. All right, really cute. Star Wars they have. Who else they have? Oh, more Star Wars, child. These are cute. And look at this, honey. I'm trying to get them all the way from the back. Work hard, nap hard. I know that's right, honey. I like some nap. I like taking a nap. Really cute. All right, so Dollar Tree has these candles right here. All right, Malibu Lagoon. Okay. Oh, these smells good. Really good. They also have the lilac bloom. Now, the lilac, they smell alright. You definitely can smell it, but the Malibu Lagoon smells good. Oh, the berry. This one smells really good. Let's look at the vanilla. The vanilla cashmere. Oh my goodness. All right, so these candles are $5, and look at them. They so fancy mancy. Look at the packaging. Really cute. As soon as you walk in, Dollar Tree has the 2 pot holders. You guys may have seen these so many times. Okay, look what somebody did. They done put this all together. Okay, they said, honey, we gonna show you exactly how to do it. All right, they also have these mugs over here. Absolutely love this. $1.25. They have these solar stake lights, which are $1.25 as well, with the butterflies. Fancy mancy. And then they also have these solar stakes over here. These are really cute. All right, so if you're a person that's looking for Easter eggs, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Okay, they have every Dollar Tree I have gone to. They mainly have different themes when it comes to the Easter eggs. Okay, really, really cute. They have the carrot, the chickadee chick, the bunny. Look at the bunny, fancy style. All right, and then they also have this grass over here, which are $1.25, different colors. Absolutely love this. Still deal like Holyfield. And then they also had a Sesame Street Easter eggs over here. You get 6 for $1.25. The tree also has these ion eyelashes over here. Now these are cute. These are half fling lashes. All right, I like those. They don't have a lot going on, and these are $1.25. Now, although some of them look like you certainly can fly away, some of them, but these ones I like. These are cute. And so they also have these novelty glasses over here, which are $1.25 as well. And if you are a person that's been looking for some Easter baskets, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Oh, look at this one, a basketball one. Absolutely love it. Basketball, football, soccer. They also have I can't even, oh gosh, the unicorn one, honey, look at that, the words, okay, the unicorn, really, really cute. They also have these fancy McPancy Lancy headbands, really, really cute. Absolutely love it, honey. Look at the bunny, movie, groovy. Now, all right, so this Dollar Tree has microfiber kitchen towels. They also have the pot holders over here, and then they also have these. Now, these are new. I haven't seen these at any of the Dollar Trees that I've been to. Naughties, these are cute. Really, really nice. Love this. $1.25. You guys know that Dollar Tree is now selling the Color Wonder Mess coloring books. Okay, so it's not really a coloring book. They have like I forgot how many. Oh yeah, 10 coloring pages and 3 markers. Spidey and Friends. They also have Mickey. They also has Bluey. Now Dollar Tree is now selling the 20 super tip markers, which are $5. They also have the Twistables, which are $3. Crayola jumbo crayons, $3. They also have the washable markers, which are $3 as well. Erasable colored pencils. These are $5. Honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree is doing a thing for you and me. Now, somebody done put this here. That's not right. They also have the twistable colored pencils. These are $5 as well. And the 24 ultra clean washable crayons. Those are $3. Still deal like Holyfield. Silly Sense smash ups. Okay, 12 scented twistable crayons for $5. Dollar Tree also have the LA colors over here, the bubble tea. This is the only Dollar Tree that I've been to that I seen this, okay, the bubble tea. That's why I keep telling you guys to come to different Dollar Trees, okay. This is $1.25. This one is peach, and then they also have the chocolate latte. They also have the LA colors bubble tea, eyelash, shimmer. This is Obey, I think, blueberry, peachy, and then strawberry. So you get 4 eyeshadows for $1.25. The blue one is really, really nice. The blueberry, I absolutely love that. Really cool. If you guys have not seen these yet, Dollar Tree, all the Dollar Trees pretty much have them. The makeup brushes, set of 3, $1.25. They also have the makeup removal pads, set of 2, $1.25. They also have, this is cute, a beauty blender bag. Okay, you get 2 beauty blenders, a smaller one and a larger one, for $1.25. Absolutely cool. They also have the Froyo lips. Okay, now we've seen these are the creamsicles, mint, coconut, the cotton candy, chocolate, and then they also have the strawberry. They also have the Taste Squad. I haven't seen these in a minute. This is $1.25. Really, really cool. One second, mama. And I had showed you guys this, okay? The Brow Freeze Sculpting Gel. I had purchased this. This is really, really good, okay? Clear. You just pretty much put this on top of your brows, all right? Really, really good. So Dollar Tree has some new items at this location. Oh my goodness, child. You definitely want to check this out, all right? Now we gonna do this. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. So first up, Dollar Tree has this lip oil, tinted lip oil. This is $1.25. Sweet honey they have. And then they also have the plump berry. Okay, this one is more so of a purple tint. This is $1.25 as well. And I know they had an orange one. Well, that's the orange one. They had a bright red one, but I don't think they have any more in stock at this location. Now, Dollar Tree also have the cream gel blush. Now, when you look at this, you would think that this would be like some lip gloss or something, but these are blush, okay? So this is Orchid. They also have the Rose Garden, $1.25. And I told you guys about this brow mini kit. I absolutely love this, okay? So I had used this for my brows. This works so good. This is $1.25. They have the wax in it, a highlighter, and then 2 brow powders. Now, Dollar Tree also have the auto eyeliners, which are $1.25. These are cute. And I know that they had some that was lip liners as well, but I just see the eyeliner, okay? So they have the pink, the yellow. They also have the blue in the back, and then they also have the green, team green over here. All right, so Dollar Tree also have some more eyeshadows, the LA Colors, Tropical Bloom. This is cute, $1.25. You get 4 shadows for $1.25. All right, so Dollar Tree also has the Hello toothpaste. I had showed you guys this, the anti-plaque whitening fluoride-free toothpaste. Okay, this is $5. They also have the Crest 3D toothpaste, which is $5 as well.